Stuck on Windows Update Troubleshooter? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Stick around for a quick guide to resolve the issue and get your updates back on track. It's a smart idea to ask a computer expert how to solve a problem you're having with your Windows computer, because they'll probably ask whether you've tried resetting your computer first. Restarting a computer can resolve a wide range of problems in numerous circumstances, even if it can seem like a simple solution. Remember that this method works with a variety of computing devices, including tablets and smartphones, and is not just for Windows-based PCs. Press the Windows plus S key and type in CMD. Lastly, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Type or paste in the following command and press Enter. sfc/scano. To go to the search bar, hold down the Windows plus S keys at the same time. To execute CMD as an administrator, type CMD into the search bar and right-click on the most relevant result. Type or paste in the following commands and press Enter after each. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app and click on Update and Security from the left panel, followed by Advanced Options on the right side. After you have found the Additional Options area, click on Optional Updates to proceed to the next step. Next, tap on the Driver Updates option, then select all the driver updates you are displayed, and lastly click on Download and Install. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.